Hi, welcome back to Creative Mezat. In 25 rice recipes, today we are going to make paneer rice. Let's get started. I've taken here 1.5 cup of rice, whole garam masala, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 inch ginger, 10 to 15 garlic pods, 4 to 5 green chilies, 1.5 cup soaked peas, 2 medium-sized potato chopped, 2 medium-sized onion sliced, 2 medium-sized tomato sliced, 200 gram paneer. For marinating paneer, 1.5 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 2 tablespoon dried fenugreek leaves, 3 tablespoon curd, 1 lemon. Wash the rice till the water is clear. For calculating the right amount of water, double the amount of rice minus half. That is, we have taken here 1.5 cup of rice, so 3 minus half. So 2.5 cup of water. Soak it for 10 minutes. Let's marinate paneer. Roast the dried fenugreek leaves for a few minutes. Then crush it with your fingers, add it to the curd. Add turmeric, red chili powder, salt as required and marinate for a few minutes. In a mixie jar, take 2 green chilies, all the ginger and garlic, crush it as shown here. 2 teaspoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon of oil. Let's roast the paneer first as shown here. After frying, let's set it aside. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Roast the whole garam masala and fennel seeds. Saute all the ingredients one by one as shown here. Add salt as required. First add the rice, roast it for a few minutes and then add water. Add 2 tablespoons of curd, put the lid on, cook it for 1 whistle. Don't overmix it, just release the steam. Add the fried paneer, put the lid back on, let it steam for 5 minutes, then serve it piping hot. Enjoy the recipe. Until next time, bye.